Okay, so recently I was playing at the skate park and crashed out, blew out my ESCs and flight controller at the same time, and had to replace it. It was not very fun, but it really kind of showed how my general central layout was very convenient, so I just wanted to go over that today, so let's get to it. Okay, so this is my Alien, and inside my Alien there's something similar to this on the inside. It's basically just a Reverb PDB and a Helio flight controller on top. And I just want to show you how I laid this out real quick. Which one was it? So on the bottom of, on the Alien carbon plate, as you can see there's press nuts here, and I have to raise the PDB above the press nuts by, what I did was I put some nylon nuts here, and I also put some offcuts of Alien lipo pads here. That also helps. And that's basically just how I laid this out. And alright, on the topic of why I may use this system, is mainly because this 4-in-1 ESC, plug, it's really convenient to me. This wiring harness is actually not natively using a 4-in-1 ESC plug. It actually uses some sort of KISS thing, and a KISS plug, and what I did was I just went ahead and just took a knife, stuck it under the pins, and just pulled out the pins and stuck them inside a regular 4-in-1 ESC plug connector, so I could just plug it into my Helio board. And the way this is really convenient is that, first of all, it separates a lot of the soldering away from some expensive electronics. The flight controller is pretty pricey; it costs about $40. And just using a 4-in-1 ESC is also pretty risky in my opinion, because you might accidentally splash a bit of solder somewhere and just screw everything up. And I don't know, maybe I'm just a clumsy builder, but that's just me. And yeah, otherwise, as you guys know, Helio recently died, so these boards are no longer being produced anymore, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and look for another flight controller. And basically all I have to do is just look for a flight controller that has a 4-in-1 ESC plug here, and I could just desolder the VTX camera and receiver and just solder a new one on, and then just plug this in, and it just makes everything a lot simpler. And at least from what I know, doing repairs with this is a lot easier too. When I tried resoldering these ESCs onto this quad, it was just really easy because I just had to solder onto the PDB rather than flight controller. So yeah, I guess this is just a bit on my formula on building, and yeah, I guess that's it. I still have to do a bit more maintenance on this quad, have to do some heat shrinking and put some electric tape on this. But yeah, I guess this is it. Till next time, I guess.